Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So it is the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us right now. But before I proceed, I would like to talk about a chart of DXY. There are certain things that I would like to discuss and the video may be a little bit complicated for you. So please watch the video carefully. And if you're doing something right now, then please do not watch the video right now. Watch the video later. Okay. So first of all, this is a chart of DXY and we see a direct relation with the USD CAD. In general, we see that whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also go up. When dollar goes down, we generally see USD CAD also going down. You can see there was a correction on US dollar yesterday on the chart of DXY, but it moved in the opposite direction. USD CAD moved in the opposite direction. So there was no relation with the DXY chart as well, at all. Okay, at all. And if you have watched my other videos on DXY, then I clearly told that if DXY breaks this trend line, it will be taking the next support at 96 level. And if 96 level, if it breaks the level, then the next level will be at 95.50. This will be the next support for the DXY. But the problem is that USD CAD is not following the chart of DXY. So as a result, the reason, you must know the reason, isn't it? And the reason is the chart of crude oil. Crude oil has a huge impact on the chart of USD CAD. Many of you know it, and the beginners and new traders, if you do not know, then always keep in mind that apart from DXY, the price of crude oil also has a direct impact on the chart of USD CAD because Canada is an oil exporting nation. A big part of Canadian economy is crude oil. It exports crude oil. So in international market, when the price of crude oil goes up, Canadian dollar also goes up. And when the price of crude oil goes down, Canadian dollar also goes down. Yesterday you can see there was a huge sell-off on crude oil. So as a result, Canadian dollar was under extreme pressure. And this is the main reason, okay, you saw USD CAD going up, because when the price of Canadian dollar goes up, USD CAD goes down, and when price of Canadian dollar goes down, we see USD CAD going up. Okay, so due to crude oil, there was some pressure on Canadian dollar, and we see good buying on the USD CAD. Why there was pressure? Because of many two factors. The first factor that is impacting the chart of crude oil is the new coronavirus variant. Okay, because there is a panic in the market that because of the new COVID-19 variant, there will be some travel restrictions again on international travel. Okay, and if the travel restrictions will be coming, then definitely the demand for crude oil will be going down. Okay, that is one reason. And the second reason is the the oil importing nations. Okay, listen to me carefully. The oil importing nations like India, like USA, Japan, UK, all these countries are releasing their strategic oil reserve, a certain amount of strategic oil reserve to the market, so that the price of crude oil goes down. These two are the factors that are affecting the price of the crude oil. So there may be some more sell-off on the price of crude oil. So be careful with the chart of USD CAD. And it's the Forex chart of USD CAD in front of us. And as you can see, USD CAD is extremely bullish right now. We have two support levels for USD CAD, and the first support is this trend line, which is also acting as the dynamic support for the market. So first of all, okay, if it goes for correction, and if it takes support at the trend line and bounces, this will be our first trading opportunity. Okay, so if USD CAD comes down and bounces from the trend line, which is also the dynamic support, we can take a buy if it bounces. Clear? The second trading opportunity is taking support at this level, 1.2640. This is the next support for the market. In case USD CAD comes down and fails to take support at the trend line, then 1.2640 to 1.2645, this level will be providing support to the market. If it bounces successfully, you can go for buy. Okay, so these two are the best trading opportunities if you're looking for buying position on USD CAD, because we need to also think about the area of value. So area value means the best trading opportunity, because see, ultimately you'll have to match the risk to reward ratio. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. If you trade in the middle, you compromise with the trading discipline. Never ever do that. And the second point, okay, the second point is, if market goes up, okay, now we have discussed if market goes down, where we will getting buying opportunity. But if market goes up, then you can see that we have a very strong resistance level at 1.2850 to 1.2900. This is a very strong resistance level, so I think there is a possibility of market reversing from this level. Okay, so if market goes up and reaches the resistance zone, do not short the market immediately, because you can see that this resistance zone is a big one, big zone of 50 pips. So unless market reverses, unless you see some good price rejection from above, do not take a sell position. If you see that yes, market is reversing successfully, then you can take a sell position from at the resistance zone. Okay, and be very careful, and try to keep your eye on the chart of crude oil, or also you can keep your eye on the chart of Canadian dollar. Okay, that will help you out to understand in which direction market will be moving. Okay, so let's see where the market goes. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see in the chart of USD CAD right now. I'll be coming down on Monday again. If anything happens, I'll be discussing with you again on Monday. So this is it. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus, I share two live signals, 2-3 live signals each and every day, and in addition I do many things. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. That's it. Bye bye, take care. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care. See ya on Monday. All the best, and please follow proper risk management.